back to Just a Little Kick, where I teach you how to make easy homemade recipes for you and your family. Today I have got the easiest, most delicious recipe for you. It is a berry cobbler, and we don't even need an oven, just our slow cooker. It's about 3 ingredients, or 4 if you add the vanilla ice cream, which I definitely suggest. So let's get started. This is literally all you need. Some frozen berries, 1.5 sticks of butter. I'm gonna melt this, and then some yellow cake mix. Somebody was trying to get into it, one of my kids, but all right. So all you do is, this is so easy. Get some of this Baker's Joy here. Okay, and then sprinkle the cake mix over. Okay, and then I'm gonna melt the 1.5 stick of butter in here.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics.
And then you're gonna cook it on high for 2.5 hours. That's it. So that is it. How perfect was this recipe? Super easy. How perfect would this be for like a summer barbecue? You could just bring the crock pot with you. Amazing, amazing. So let's give it a little taste. Cheers. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make her better. It just reminds me of like a peach cobbler, but a berry cobbler. Fantastic. Definitely make it. And you can't, I mean, what dessert do you know of that you can make easier than this one? All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like, subscribe if you are new, share the video with anybody who you think could enjoy this video as well. And I'll see you guys back here soon for more food.